back to my YouTube channel. I'm Samke, and guys, today I'm excited because today we're making pizza. Yeah guys, so we're going to be doing the chicken pizza. So I'll be showing you step by step what I did. Okay, so the thing is, I've already done our pizza dough. Okay, so I used 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. You can use bread flour, it's actually nicer. And then guys, I added in my sugar. You know guys, I don't know, I feel like you guys should just check how to make a pizza dough, or rather go and buy one from the store. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I do my chicken, okay, for the pizza. So this is my chicken. I've already boiled it, added salt, nothing else. Okay, so this is my garlic. Okay, so I'm just gonna add my crushed garlic here, and then just mix this. Okay, this is my garlic, and now I'm going to take my barbecue sauce. This is my barbecue sauce, and I'm just gonna pour it here. Okay, remember guys, we're making pizza, one of the most delicious pizzas you've ever eaten. See, this is your chicken with the sauce. All right, so now guys, let's get ready to work on our dough. Actually it has risen, it has actually doubled in size by now. So yeah, let me get it out and show you all. All right, so let me leave this here and get our dough and get it done. Guys, like I said before, I already made my pizza dough. Okay, so this is what I added. I added in 2 cups of flour, okay, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then we added a teaspoon of salt, and then a tablespoon of yeast, okay, instant yeast, and a cup of water. So I made this dough. Okay, so guys, it's done now. This will make 2 pizzas. We're going to have a total of 2 pizzas. So what we're going to do now is to knead this. Okay, we're going to knead this like this, and then put it together like this, and then we're going to divide like this. Okay, like this. So this will make 1 pizza, and this will make another one. Okay, so this is what I want to do now. Okay, I'll just roll this and make a round shape. All right. See? So you just continue doing this until you have a round shape. We're making 2 pizzas today. So we're going to take a little bit of flour and just do this. Sprinkle. All right. It's coming along. So when it looks like this now, I'm going to take this this dough and place it on a tray. All right, so I'm gonna put this here. Okay, so I'm just gonna continue doing this until we have a round shape. Okay, so guys, as you are doing this, make sure that your oven is heating at a very, very high heat. Okay guys, temperature, it has to be the highest temperature you have, like 400 degrees. Okay, for your oven. Guys, we have our pizza doors here. This is what I've done to them. See how nice they look. So now I'm going to take my homemade tomato paste. I just fried some tomatoes. You know, I grated them and then I fried them and then I added tomato sauce. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to put this on this, like this. Okay, just spread. Okay, you do this on both the pizzas. All right. Okay, so then you move on to the next one. You just spread it. All right. Okay, so we have our tomato paste there. And then the next thing that we're going to do is to take just a little bit of the cheese, not a lot, like don't put it everywhere, just like a little bit. This is mozzarella cheese. Okay, so just do this, a little bit of it, not all of it. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is to take the peppers. Okay, this is the green peppers, and just go like this. Okay, all right. Then the next step is to take your chicken. So the key to this chicken thing is that don't put everything on one side. Okay, just spread them as much as possible. Make sure that you spread this throughout. Okay, leave spaces in between so that the dough cooks properly. Okay, then now that you have something like this, see, yay, this is our chicken pizza in the making. Yay. So I'm going to take the onions. Okay, just place them randomly like that. Your onions. Alright, so you place them like this. Remember guys, your oven is on at the moment because it needs to be very hot, very hot. So now I'm going to take my cheese and just spread it everywhere. Okay, I'm using mozzarella cheese. Okay, this is full cream cheese. You can use any other type. That's why it's like sticky and bulky, but it's still fine. So make sure you cover almost all the surfaces. Right. Hey guys, so this is how our pizzas are looking. Okay, so guys, I'm going to put this right into the oven. Okay, so yay, see you guys after this is all done and ready to be eaten. Yeah. Yay, yay. Put it into the oven. homemade, guys. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Look at the chicken. Damn. Wow. Okay, so my brother wants to taste, so okay, let's hear from him. Okay, try it.
I'm hungry. I need some pizza.
Okay. Yay.
Feel it. Love it.
Hey, damn it. Dog, stop. Okay, so we're already missing a piece.
Damn.
Yeah. Okay, guys.